What's up, YouTubers? Hey, today we're bringing you the 1/16 E-REVO VXL brushless. This is the purple one. You get it in blue.
Yeah.
But we decided to get the purple one.
Yeah, and you could run it on one battery or two batteries.
Right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Comes with a battery and charger.
This truck is basically the same as the big E-REVO that we have already, which we'll do a size comparison in a little bit as soon as we get this thing opened up. We already took the plastic off.
Yeah, it has pins, not the clip-on and all.
Right, right. This body has the pins on it, yep.
Yeah, like the same.
So, we're going to open this thing up. We've been waiting to open this. This has been like a week. We've had this thing sitting on the bench.
Yeah.
We just didn't do it yet.
Yeah, in this box.
And I want to bash and thrash and crash this thing.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get into this thing. Open this thing up.
Yeah, I've been waiting to see what this car looks like.
Yeah, it's just so cool.
I mean, basically, it's pretty much
the same as the big.
The same.
Yeah.
Get rid of that.
We don't need it.
All right, let's pull this thing out of here. Let's get some directions. Looks like they're stuck in there. All right, there's the battery. What's good is, like, if you guys want to buy this car and just, like, you want a car to, like, go bash and crash and slash around, you could buy this car and it comes with a battery, so you don't have to buy a battery. It's going to come with the car charger, the 12-volt car charger.
Yeah.
So you could pretty much, you know, pull this thing out of the box, charge the battery, and run it.
Yeah.
It is an RTR car.
To run two batteries, you do have to buy another connector.
It's got the option to run two batteries.
Yeah.
So you could buy a series connector or a parallel connector to get more power out of this car. This car will do 50 plus miles an hour.
Yeah, and this battery is so small.
So if you want to charge it off your car, a 12-volt cigarette lighter, you know, you want to take this thing out on the trail on your wheeler, your Razor.
Yeah.
You know, you got a 12-volt charger right here. It doesn't come with a LiPo battery, but that's what we're going to be running on it. All right, so when you pull everything out, you got your manuals, you get some stickers, your tool package, and an important thing here is the pinion gear for 50 miles an hour with dual battery packs. So this gear must be installed when operating the model with dual battery packs, okay? That's where you're going to get your top speed out of this car. You're probably going to want to run it on a hard surface. Let's pull this open. And this will tell you pretty much everything. So you got to do a little work to make it do the 50 miles an hour. It's just not going to rip it right out of the box.
Yeah.
See if we can't cut our fingers. Get this thing open here. All right, so it comes with your pinion. It comes with your set screw for your pinion. And here's the little high-speed gearing instructions. You are going to have to... High-speed gearing instructions. Comes right here. Gives you your part numbers for series running one battery. Or your connectors for your parallel batteries to run two. Shows you how to install your pinion gear and all that good stuff. We're going to put that back in the package so we don't lose that, because that'll be not good. We don't want to have to buy another part when we don't need to. So set that aside. All right, let's get this car out of the box. Oh, nice, man. That thing looks good.
And it's small.
That is very nice. I do like the purple. I think I'm happy that we got the purple.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Pull
really
these
nice.
Couple pins off of here. We could get the body off.
Oh, wow.
All right. So first looks of the car, I mean, this is almost, you know, mimicking the big E-REVO Brushless 2.0. And just to do a size comparison, we're going to throw it right up here so you guys can see the difference in the two sizes here. There's quite a bit of difference.
Yeah.
Pull this body off, you get a look at the chassis, motor setup, the ESC, the shocks. Now what's really cool is they did pretty much, it's like I said, it's a mimic of the big car. So your shock setup is all the same. You go to this car over here and your shock setup is all the same. All right. Really cool. I mean, even down to the tires, you know, you could just tell that it's set up pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Let's move this guy out of the way. Take the big guy out of the way. So, what we have here, like I said, is the brushless E-REVO VXL 1/16 scale. All right, so looking at this car, you got your battery doors just like the big one. You flop these open, your batteries are gonna go on the inside here. And you could see, we'll just throw this guy in here just so you guys can see how the battery is gonna fit in there. Yeah. Basically the same way as the big E-REVO. All right, so using the additional battery for increased speed, with this model, you need to buy this connector, and it gives you the part number here. If you want more runtime, use the other connector. We're going to be running a, to try this car out, we're probably going to be running a 3-cell LiPo for it. I think it's going to do real well on it. Hopefully we don't crash it and bash it. Too bad, but it's going to get beaten. Let's go ahead and get this controller out of the box here.
Yeah.
Come on, get out of there. There we are. We don't need that. So guys, you got the, you know, Traxxas known TQ top qualifier controller. We all know what this is. Burp, burp, burp. You got your multifunction, you got your steering trim. All right, basically same controller comes with all the trucks. Aiden, what do you got to say about the body on this car?
This body is really nice.
Yeah, the only thing that this body is this one's pinned on versus the big E-REVO we have has the new body clip that's on the back.
Yeah,
so
and
it's
the color is purple and orange.
yeah, on this truck, yeah. It's really good looking color.
We could get the purple and orange body for the big E-REVO if we wanted to, Aiden.
Yep. So another idea you guys can do on this car, if you do get it, get out there and get yourself an RC, is you could do Velcro here on the sides of the battery tray so that you can eliminate the pins, which is a really cool kind of feature, so you don't have to use the pins. You Velcro underneath there, each side, and then you don't have to use the pins. And it makes it a little easier, quicker to take on and off.
Yeah.
But just going over this car, you got your center diff mount here. Shock setup, like I said, same as the big car. So we might do some upgrades on this car. You know, we might do some, we're definitely going to do some kind of upgrades on it because we're going to bash it, we're going to crash it, and we're going to thrash it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what we do here at Jag RC Outdoor Adventures, guys. We test RCs, we have fun,
and
we get outside.
Yeah.
Let you guys get a nice view of this car. We'll throw it up here on the stand here and do a little super cool truck. It's got the wing on the back, Like I said, this car will do a 50 mile an hour. So we're going to test it and we'll get back to you in another video.
Yeah, the tires are little.
Yeah, they are smaller. 2.0s. Waterproof servo. Waterproof on this car, everything. It's got sealed diffs. It's really good. What a couple other cool features on this setup here is it's got these cooling fins on the side of the motor and the transmission here, which really is nice. So hopefully it'll do good. We won't heat things up too much, but you know we're gonna, because we're gonna bash it and crash it and trash it. So, you know, just be ready to see what this thing could do.
Yeah.
Make sure you check out our next video, because this truck is going to be getting bashed, crashed, and thrashed. We are going to hopefully not break it, but we are going to have some fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And we're going to get the tires dirty.
Yes, the tires are definitely going to get dirty.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
Alright guys, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.